Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel Urban Locks. It is your girl Kyra, of course, and I am back today with a 2.5 month no retwist update, and your girl is a little nervous. Okay, so my last retwist was actually September 22nd, so since then I've just been washing, and I just want to show you guys what's going on my hair right now, because I haven't even been separating my locks, like the locks that have been marrying or webbing together, whatever you call it. I haven't even been doing any separation at all. So I got locks that's like, they look like this. Like the bottoms are connected completely and the top is not. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and do some damage control. This Friday is actually my 4 weeks since my last wash, so I may have to retwist. Now I know I can separate without retwisting, but I think I wanna, I think it's time for a retwist. A little nervous about how hard it's gonna be to actually go in and separate my locks. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss this lock journey, so you don't miss this skincare, okay? Because we're really gonna be giving it to y'all coming up soon. Giving it to you. So let's go ahead and get into this close-up, you guys, because after this I'm actually gonna moisturize my locks, and you can actually go see that on Instagram if you would like to. I will put my Instagram handle on the screen so you can follow me, just because I'm gonna be recording that as a reel. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this close-up. Sheesh. Dust, dust, dust. Lamp, lamp, lamp. Good gracious, that's a lot of fucking dust. Man, a lot. Y'all, if y'all not shaking your hair out, please do. Please do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now that I done beat all the lint out of my hair, well, I'm sure it ain't all of it, but let's go ahead and get started. This one is not bad at all, but that's one. Now, I know there is a couple back here. Boy, look at this. Look at this. Well, that's gonna be fun. Next, look at these two. Just a happy couple. Not a throuple. Y'all, they got a throuple going on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh man, I see the fourth one trying to get up in here. Look at these, y'all. You can't really see the roots. Look how puffy they are. So the ones up top, they're not really that bad. They have a little bit of, webbing going on, but they're not bad up top. Like, none of these are really stuck together. Like I said, I don't do any separating. It's just, I guess these up here are just not as, I don't know. This, you guys can see this. Oh, this. Look at this, guys. These are just all stuck together. Let's see what else is going down in the back. Like, I can't even pull down one lock without it pulling down the row above it as well. Like, it's like, no sis, we're coming with. Like, look. Stuck together, stuck together. That one came down freely by itself. So now that I'm going through and like actually feeling it, it's not as bad as I thought, but there's a couple spots that are pretty bad. So I already know that this next retwist is gonna be fun, exciting, and fun. But oh, look at this one. Look at look at this one. This one's not bad though, because you can just see like it's connected mostly up here in these little few pieces of hair. Well, actually I lied, it's connected all the way, but this one is still not bad. Now, I'm not doing no ripping without no water in my hair, so don't expect me to satisfy your needs, your ASMR, and get to ripping, because I ain't doing that. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit subscribe before you do go, of course, and be on the lookout for all this new stuff. And I really hope that you guys have a fabulous week. Whatever your goals are, please do your very best to strive for those goals and get them completed, and do things for you. If not you, then who? Who else is going to do these things that you want to do? Who else is going to make you happy? Who else is going to make you feel a certain way? You have to do these things for yourself before you start looking outside for somebody else to do them for you. That's not the way that life works. That's not the way you should try to operate, because all that does when you look outside for things is your expectations get shot. You hurt yourself. So if not you, then who? Do these things yourself. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys for the next video.